And remember this.
Life is not perfect, but you can still be thankful for what you have. You've faced pain, you've stumbled, and there have been times you felt like giving up. But through it all, there's a powerful truth. You don't need perfection. What you need is the strength found in the struggle. Every setback, every disappointment has shaped you. They've pushed you forward when you thought you couldn't go any further. It's easy to focus on what's missing, on the dreams that feel out of reach. But look closer. You already have so much to be grateful for. The people who care about you, the lessons you've learned, even the strength you discovered in your darkest moments. Life's imperfections don't define you, they refine you. God is shaping you. The struggle you face is not without purpose. It's preparing you for the path He has already set before you. You may not have it all, but you have enough. Enough to keep fighting, growing, and trusting. So no matter how tough it gets, hold on to gratitude. Because this life, with all its flaws, is still worth fighting for.